Hey guys, this is what I use for bird hunting. I'll show you how this was set real quick. Just 1 second. Okay, this is what I use. It is the Gamma Hornet. It looks like a rifle, but it is a break barrel actually. So I'll show you what it does. I don't know if you see me, so if you don't see me, I apologize. Okay. Okay, yeah, this isn't gonna work. Okay. Okay, I think this might work. So wait 1 second, I need to see if it'll work. Yeah, this should work. Okay, see this? This is the gun. This barrel, it breaks down. And then it's supposed to look like this. And then the pellet, goes right in there. And then you cock it back up like just how you put it down. And these are the pellets I use. I do not know what brand they are. Forgot. These are one of the pellets in the case. I'll show you the other two what they look like on the tip. These are flatheads. They're for rodents. Dang. Okay, here, right here. Now we'll trade I'm gonna go to the other side and show you. These are the sharp head, and the others are kind of like a mix between sharp head and. Okay, these are what the other ones look like. And this is my. And this. These are the other ones. See the tips?